What's going on, peeps? Today we're gonna be playing with the bike. I'm gonna do the forks and hopefully get those taken off so I can get those taken to the shop in Orange County tomorrow. And then I guess we go and get started. Here's the bike again, quick overview, but I just wanted to show you guys. And look how bad the forks are leaking. Right there, it's actually leaking on the ground too, as you can see right there. I know I could probably just use the Sealmate to maybe, this is the Sealmate. You kind of put in there to clean the debris around the rim of the seal after you pull that dust cover off. But I could probably do that, but I honestly don't know the last time these forks were changed, the fork seals were, so I'm just going to do my due diligence and still go ahead and redo it and not really waste my time with that. Whenever I can just go ahead and pull it apart. But the first things I'm going to do, I'm gonna break the tire apart or break it off, these nuts, and break it off. I know I need to remove the brake calipers. You can see they're still wire tied. I need to remove this. I'm gonna remove that, and then after I've removed that, I will bring it back. First, I'm gonna pull the front tire off. I don't have a socket for this, so use this. I already broke the nut off to show you guys, but I'm breaking that off. Take this off. I'll put this to the side. Shit, where's my thing? Here. I'm gonna break the axle. I'm gonna probably speed it up so you guys don't hear me talk. All right, guys, you can see that I pulled the wheel off. I got one of the forks off, and I got these buckets to hold the calipers. I'm sure there's a better way to do it, but I just kind of just did something quick without really thinking about it. Right here, you can see some of the stuff I took apart. Here's one of the legs, and you can see it was leaking pretty good. You know, and this is actually after I cleaned it up a little bit and made it look a little bit better. But you can just see that it was just seeping. Hopefully it's seeping from the top, not the bottom. Yeah. But you can see that it's just seeping really bad, and actually beyond seeping, it was just pouring. It was to where it was like a lot. You see that? It's a shit ton that's coming out. What I did right here was, you can see where I took this little cover piece off right here, pulled the triple tree off. After I pulled the triple tree off, I just loosened this. Whenever I drop the forks, there's 3 screws right here, 1, 2, 3 down there. And then after you do that, you just pull there's 3 screws down there. Start right down there. 1, 2, 3 is down there. And once you do that, you can pull the bottom when the leg comes out, and just keep an eye on this. And then just set this here after the leg's gone. And that's what I'm about to do on this side too. See, this is loose. It's sliding. You can see it sliding up and back and forth. See those 3 screws right here, down there? That is what I'm about to take those, and after I do that, I need to pull this off too while I'm at it. And after I do that, I'll slide this other one down, and then that's it for now. Then I'll be good to go. I'll bring you guys back whenever I get that done. All right, guys, I got it off. I got this here to kind of hold this up. And you can see everything's good to go. Here's the forks. They're off, ready to go. There's the fork seals too. I end up getting the Olin's fork seal kit. What's up, guys? I didn't tell you I got a freaking flat yesterday after I did that. Of course I do. Freaking shady California roads. I'm about to pick up the tire, and I'll be back with y'all in a little bit. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this tire on real quick. And after I put it on, oops, sorry. After I put the tire on, and then we can go get my shocks or my forks from my bike. And I'm just using the stock jack because it makes things a lot easier, especially on like this car. The things crumble up really easy, so I use the stock jack, and it makes it really quick. Well, not really quick, but it makes it a little easier. I have like a low profile one for my other cars, but I prefer to use this one on this specific car. All right, guys, we just now finished everything on a bike, and I believe I have everything done right. Actually, I'm pretty confident I do, but we got everything, the forks, the wheels. Here, let me give you guys a closer look on everything. Yep, here's everything on here. Everything, I believe it's back on here, right? Everything should be good to go. Even on this, we got this line mark right here. So we could make sure it was gonna be straight and then go back exact same area. Some people probably don't recommend doing that, but you know what I mean? I guess everyone's body has their own preference on what they like. And here's the forks. And this one, nice and looks good, you know what I mean? You can tell the dust seals on this one's the dust seals on this one's different. It's got a little metal ring because the ones that are on here weren't the OEM ones. So I went with the Olin's OEM fork seals and stuff just because it's OEM. I did the wire tire on the front caliper on both sides. This one too, same thing on this. It's OEM. I mean, I made sure I just wanted to put everything back OEM. So you see everything put back together. I'm about to give it a test drive and make sure everything's good. And you guys can wish me luck. But before I do that, let me point out something that I messed up on. You guys really can't see it that good in the camera, but when I was lowering my forks, you can kind of see it. Well, that's not good. It's not even showing up in the camera. I guess it's not too bad, but you can kind of see it right here. It looks kind of like a reflection, but it's actually scratches. And I scratched it all right here, right here, right here from these stupid levers because I was pulling the forks down. So that pissed me off a little bit. You can see it. Maybe I'm being a baby, but I still scratched it. And I scratched some of my fork trying to get the top thing on. Really can't see it either, but you can kind of, if you look close, right around there, down there, just trying to get those on, which I was upset when I did it, but it's all a part. I'm not sure why my camera's not focusing very good, but it's all a part of it. So I'm gonna give it a ride and I'll let you guys know how it's looking. All right, guys, I just got back and everything seems pretty good, except my right handlebar went in. This right here, when I went on a turn, it pushed in. So I guess I had these bolts too loose. So around a turn, it scared the shit out of me. But you can see on the forks, what we want to check is no more leaking finally. everything looks, everything seemed good except the handlebar was leaking, and then everything else seems all right. Right there, you can kind of see better those scratches I put right there. There we go. I mean, all right there. To some, that's not a big deal, but to me, it frustrates me. Well, guys, I'll let you guys go. Thanks for checking out the vlog, and I'll see you guys next time.